Hi, my name's Ryan Swanson, and I'm the Training and Development Manager at ProSpot International. Today I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about what a great opportunity the collision repair industry is, and what a great career path it is, and how many different opportunities are actually available out there. It's not just about being in a shop fixing cars. There's so many different avenues that you can take to make your career fulfilling. And in today's day and age, with the technology coming, we need every bit of it, and we need all the new people we can get to join our industry and see what a great career it can give you. Currently, as the Training and Development Manager at ProSpot International, I'm blessed to work all across the collision repair industry, from working with individual shops on training to working with salespeople on how to properly train and sell quality welding equipment that meet manufacturer and OEM needs. All the way to working with the OEMs themselves, such as Tesla, GM, and Ford, and working with them on welding and repair procedures, and working with them on different weld testing. I love what I do in the collision repair industry, and I really thank, everyone along the way that got me to where I am today. I was attracted to the collision repair industry really from a young age without even realizing it. Growing up in a household where we always had project cars, we always had old muscle cars. I grew up working on two different 70s Chevelles, which we still have to this day, restoring them with my dad when I was a kid. And then getting into high school and playing football, where my football coach was actually the auto body and painting instructor. So I kind of fell into the collision industry part of it. Being in high school where I already had a love for cars, I already wanted to get into the collision and the auto body program at the school, and it made it that much better. So having great mentors along the way helped out, but the collision industry is something that I've been attracted to since I was a young kid, whether I realized it or not. When I first started in the collision repair industry, I actually started at a small shop after school hours, going to pretty much from 2 to 6 o'clock at night when school was out, sweeping the floors, cleaning the shop, and then helping with some of the details at the end of the day to get cars down the road that afternoon. Whenever I had downtime, I was always sitting there watching the other positions. I was asking the technicians how and why they were doing things. I was watching the painter mix colors. I learned how to color match just by watching the painter do what he did. And that's how I started gaining more knowledge and learning more about the industry and seeing all the different paths that were out there. So it was great starting out, working at the bottom, and then literally working through the collision shop in order to get to where I am today, to understand that training and doing what I do is now where I want to be. You can be a technician, there's estimating positions, leadership positions, management positions. There's all different kinds of positions in the collision repair industry that people don't even realize. With the emergence of the electric vehicles, all the different technologies that we have in today's vehicles, the collision industry is ever changing, and it's only going to continue to grow, and we need more technicians and we need more people in the collision repair field. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video today. Hopefully you guys got a little bit of insight, and hopefully the collision repair industry is the path for you. A lot of great opportunities out there, and we need people like you to step up, and we need that younger generation to come through and keep pushing the collision industry forward. Thank you.